new audio equipment. Whoa. Yes, please. So this is the Zoom H1 2018 model with an XY microphone configuration. It records audio in 24 bits 96 kHz with an AD and DA conversion in 24 bits with 128 over sampling. Whoo! Signal processing in 32 bits with a high pass filter. I don't know what I'm talking about. And it came with an accessory pack which is really nice. This won't be an in-depth review, so if you're interested about the science behind this product, I'll put the link in the description, but if you just want to see how it works, stay tuned because I'm gonna make a couple test recordings. So headphones up, let's jump right into papers, 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 papers. More papers. And now, let's have a closer look on the device. On the left is the headphone connection port, which is good if you want to monitoring your recording, and here's a couple volume button. On the right is the mini USB port, the power button and the delete button, and the mini SD card slot up to 32 GB and the external microphone port. At the top of the front is the input level button, which is basically the microphone sensitivity, the audio button, which is the recording format and the recording quality. The low cut can reduce the sound of wind and vocal pop noise. The limiter prevents clipping your recording by loud noises, and the auto level button set the input level automatically. Here's the recording button and the couple playback button. What a great day to shooting some stuff outside, so switching the microphones now. But actually it's raining, but you know, trying to be positive. Challenge accepted. With the lake in Keswick, I'm gonna try to shoot a couple of shots making some videos with the Zoom H1. Chilling out, drinking coffee, you know. Let me dedicate this coffee for Peter McKinnon, the best of the best teacher ever. Thanks, man. I appreciate your work. He probably never gonna see this, but cheers. Opinion about this product? Awesome. Answering my own question? Yes. Very easy to use, high quality, highly recommend. So that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe. And stay tuned for more upcoming Optima reviews.